Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Just a quick review of the exact function. Similar to an earlier tutorial, all we're going to do is check to see if column 1 is equal to column 2, or row 1 and row 2, or cell 1 and cell 2 are exact. They have to be exact. Exact function tests if a cell are exactly equal. If not, they're false. Just hit F9 until we see a true. And this may take a while. Orange and orange. Everything else is apple. Apple. It doesn't equal apple a day. Apple and orange. Nope. Banana. No. Some of these are just clearly not matched. Find something that's close. Why is orange and orange false? Well, it's orange and orange, right? Has to be exact. All right. Why is it false? Capital E. If you want to count exact cells, you wanted to use the exact, well, you can also use the sum product with the exact along with the value in the range. So there's a lot of tools you can incorporate within exact. There's just one example. Otherwise, just as an introduction or a second introduction of exact, you can get an idea of the flow here. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thank you.